Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be addressing a few things that is really important for those of you who are having any kinds of issues dealing with color. Now, this website, Who Can Use, is a really great and powerful tool for you to know how you can do color combinations. All right, so this I'm going to do a pretty good quick review about how this works, and then you can try it out yourself to really understand from your perspective. All right, so what we have here is the contrast ratio. The higher it is, the better. And then we have the WCAG, which is Web Content Accessibility Guidelines ratio, that is going to go and mention if your grading AAA is the best one, and then it goes all the way down to fail, right? So as you can see, the more you adjust the colors here, they are going to adjust the contrast ratio and then giving you the WCAG grading. Now, this is great because you can actually manipulate the colors you have on the background and also the colors that you have here in the text, right? So you can manipulate the colors that you have here in the text, and then you are going to get in real time the contrast ratio, and then if it is respecting or not these other things. Because if you don't know, we have the regular vision, which is trichromatic, and then we have a few other things that some population have with the vision types. Protoanomaly, protanopia, all these other things and their percentages, all right? So here they are going to show you to mention if you are failing or if you are not failing on that thing. But also it gives you the sense, the information, if it works well when you have direct sunlight in your screen or when you are night shift mode, all right? So just go ahead and really test out changing these colors. You can give it more tint if you want. There we go. And then you can see the contrast ratio, and you can see if it is respecting all the other things that you have here. So go ahead, check your funnels right now to see if they are respecting this thing. And if you are like in any doubt, if you don't know if it is going to work, test it here first and then do the changes in your funnel. Cheers.